Welcome back to Organized Mom. I have tons of tricks. This video is jam-packed. This is the coolest Dollar Tree find now. You can use these for amazing yard games. Go down to the kids section. You can buy giant dice. These are so cute. I used my Cricut to label the front of this. $2 total, you can make this adorable Yahtzee game. I love how big this is. Great for kids and outdoor parties. And look how much they retail for. Everything in this video I wanted to be easy and doable. These removable hooks are awesome. You need to go to the frame section because I have a trick I want to show you. Grab some clear 8x10 frames. Oh my gosh, check out this hat. All you have to do is put these hooks on the front of the frame. This is great for your car keys, your sunglasses, or your regular glasses. It's a great way to stay organized. Perfect by your front door. I adore all the summer items, especially this really pretty color. These plate holders are awesome. Your plates actually stick right inside of these to help reinforce them, especially if you are using the cheap ones. And I also really like these utensil caddies. Perfect to have on hand for all the summer parties. This one is my favorite trick. Dollar Tree does sell these expandable barbecue forks. These are perfect for roasting marshmallows and is only $1.25. Compared to Amazon, this is a great deal. And put together a s'more kit. Did you know that this container are perfect fit for marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate? Put it together in a really easy way to roast marshmallows outside, and you did it on a budget. Dollar Tree almost always has the fireside marshmallows in stock. This is a great deal. We've really been enjoying this in our house. It makes a great family night. Something I wouldn't pick up, but is here. I want to hear your opinion. This taco stand. To me, this is clutter, but I want to hear from you. Is this something you would use? Let me know below. There is a brand new product I highly recommend. It's hard to find, and I want to know if you can find them in your store. It's these stain remover wipes, and they absolutely work. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you need to check out the toothbrush section. This item you need to keep your eyes out for. I want to show you this hack. Denture tablets are also good for deodorizing shoes, if your shoes are really sweaty in the summer. All you have to do is put your shoes in a bucket of water with a few denture tabs. They will smell great afterwards. Pop your shoes in the bucket for about 30 minutes. Scrub if you need to and give them a good rinse. Then let them dry in the sun. These smell so fresh. Give it a try. Dollar Tree also has stamp pads and even stamp blocks. I recently found these beautiful stamps. They are so high quality. You can make DIY cards with these. A beautiful gift to give to somebody. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to follow your heart. I'll catch you in the next one.